Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to my blog, Writing and Falling blogspot.com. Today, I'm going to read you a story in Ipa Simons. It's called The Scariest Night. Let's start. It was 2 in the morning. My roommate, Tobias, had left early in the night with his friends and said he would not come back until the next day. I was alone in our apartment, but somehow there was an almost inaudible tapping sound coming from his room. It sounded like the hands of a clock, but at times the tapping stopped and at times it got faster or slower. It was so low that at moments I thought it would be a product of my imagination. But no, it was there. Now, I don't believe in ghosts or anything of the sort, but I have to confess that sound gave me the chills. I had an internal debate. Should I go and check what is inside his room, or should I not? I decided not to. But then my head kept going around and it wasn't able to sleep. Plus, if I left the apartment, where would I go? Everything was closed and there would be nobody on the streets. I might even get robbed. Those days the neighborhood wasn't not too safe. I then decided to call Tobias to ask him when he would be back. I know I sounded like a scared little girl, but I couldn't help it. I was feeling extremely uncomfortable. I looked for my phone. It was on one of the small wooden beside tables. Grabbed it desperately and realized that my hands were sweaty and shaking a little. The phone felt slippery in my hands and I had to clean them against my t-shirt. So I couldn't type. I opened my contacts list and I looked for Tobias. Found his number and without giving it a second thought, pressed the little green button that appeared in the screen and waited. His phone rang once, twice, 3 times, kept ringing, but there was no response. Suddenly, out of the corner of my eye, I saw a shadow. My eyes popped wide open. As I turned around, there was someone coming directly at me with an axe in hand and a mask. My hair almost popped out of my chest as I laughed out of the most horrifying scream I can remember in my lifetime. And when I was on the verge of the heart attack, the guy in the mask pulls it out. It was Tobias. He had been playing a joke on me. It was a story in Ipa Simons. That was everything for writing and falling. Thank you very much.